Hi everyone, thank you for tuning into our channel. It's been a while since I have made some videos for you guys, but today we're going to be talking about the hidden features in our new BMWs, so tune in. Okay, so now that we're in this brand new M440, let's talk about how to fold your mirrors automatically when you are locking and unlocking your car. Before, you could do it by just pressing the button right next to your mirror switch, where you can just adjust your mirrors. You don't have to do that anymore. There's a way to fold them and unfold them automatically. To set that up for you guys, you can go on your settings. Your settings are going to be under the car option. You click on it, settings. Then you would scroll this to the doors vehicle access option. Once you're on here, you're just going to scroll all the way down and you're going to check the box where it says fold mirrors in when locked. It'll work for you with your key fob or with your remote. It'll also work for you with your comfort access, meaning the keyless entry. So when you lock your car, it'll fold it for you. When you unlock your car, it'll unfold it automatically. It's very easy. I have the key fob on me. You always have to make sure you have the key fob on you. However, I'm not going to be using this. I will be using comfort access. All you have to do is just put your finger right over here on your handle and voila, fold the mirrors. To unfold it, you just put your hand in the handle. That's how it works. Very easy. Thank you guys so much for watching our short videos today. Hope they were helpful. See you next time.